questions of interview, and now we'll proceed with the feedback session now. Okay. So first of all, I want to know from you that what you felt about the interview. What went right, what went wrong?
Yes, sir. Actually, deeply asking the questions, it was feel like trouble to me.
Okay. So I'll tell
Actually,
you my
I
observation. I'll tell you what I felt from the interview. The first thing was intro part. In the intro part, you have to have your achievements, right? Whatever you have achieved. Suppose you are good in singing, dancing, playing any sport, any game, right? You have to mention all those things because interviewer wants to know that what you know apart from studies and curriculum, right? You can add all those things in the intro that will create a good impression because first impression is
okay,
last impression, right? So you have to give a good impression at very first go. First thing is.
okay,
Second thing is you were not having two-way communication. Whenever I was coming to you to buy a Audi, to buy a fish, whatever I was trying to buy. So you were not asking me reasons. That's sir, why do you want Audi? If I told you that I am a low class person, right? If I'm coming to
yes,
your shop to buy a Audi, definitely I would be having something in my mind, right? Otherwise, I
yes,
won't go to a Audi showroom. If I want to buy a
yes,
car, I can buy a i10, i20 also, 5 6 lakh
yes,
car also. Then
yes,
why?
sir.
What is the reason behind going to Audi showroom? Because I also know Audi
Okay,
is a costly car. Then why should I
yes, sir.
why should I go to a Audi showroom, right? So you can ask
Yes, sir.
questions to customer. That sir, please tell me what is in your mind. I will definitely help you. But first of all, I want to know from you, sir, that why do you
Okay,
want a Audi? What is your purpose of buying Audi, right? Then
okay,
definitely you can give a good explanation to a customer. It will be easy
okay.
for you to convince a customer once you get the mindset of the customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
Brahmin
sir.
is coming to your shop to buy a fish. Ask Brahmin, sir, you are a Brahmin, right? So why do you want a fish, sir? Why you are coming to a fish shop to buy a fish, right? You can definitely
Yes.
ask the Brahmin about the same thing, right? So all these things you
Okay.
have to take care. You have to have a two-way communication. Your
Yes, sir.
vocabulary is very good. You are giving good answers, right? So I'm impressed
Yes,
with
sir.
that because the convincing skill is good. You are trying to convince the
Okay.
customer at any cost, right?
Yes,
You are
sir.
giving different explanation to customer. That's if not this, try this. If not this, take this. Okay. So you are trying to convince the customer at any point, right? So
Yes,
that is
sir.
very good. But the thing is missing is two-way communication. To not just go on speaking things. Okay. Always have a two-way communication kind of thing. Whatever you are speaking,
Okay.
try to ask questions to customers also. Beat any situation, right? And
Okay.
when I asked you about that you don't know the answer of simple academic questions. So how can I trust Byju's, right? You can mention,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
see, I am only a salesperson. I am no one to
Yes.
teach your child because we have teachers for that, right? My job is just to
Yes.
sell the application to you. That's all, right? So the teachers
Yes,
are
sir.
there. We have India's leading teachers, sir. To trust them, sir,
Yes.
I am giving you assurance. If you are having any issue, we have a refund policy, sir. We have 15 days
Yes.
refund policy. If you face any issue, give me a call. I will come to your house. I'll give your money back, complete money back. Trust me, sir.
Okay.
I am giving you my words. Okay.
Okay.
So this way
Yes,
you'll be
sir.
able to convince customer easily. The customer will
Yes,
think,
sir.
okay, she's giving me assurance. That means that is good application. So I'll go for it. If I face any issue, I'll give a call to Deepika. That Deepika, I don't want the application, refund the money back. Right? So
Okay.
he will be having assurance like this, right? Always try to
Okay.
assure a customer like this whenever you're giving the answer.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Rest
Yes.
answers were
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. Just have take pauses. Whenever you're speaking something, na, take pauses, right? Do not just make one flow of speaking. Always take a
Yes,
pause.
sir.
Whenever you're speaking something, take a pause. सो हाय गाइस, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर टॉप स्टार्टअप्स इन इंडिया. ठीक है. सो वी हैव अ प्लेटफॉर्म नेम्ड रीलेवल बाय अनअकैडमी. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू आप कुछ भी बैकग्राउंड से है, आपका रेज्यूमे कैसा भी है, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर अ स्टार्टअप जॉब, अ टॉप स्टार्टअप कंपनी. ठीक है. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. सो ये प्लेटफॉर्म है रीलेवल का. इट इज पावर्ड बाय अनअकैडमी. तो ट्रस्ट इशू की कोई बात ही नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट टेस्ट. सो वंस यू क्लिक हियर, ठीक है, यू विल सी ऑल द बिग कंपनीज नेम. जैसे कि अर्बन कंपनी है, अपग्रेड है, क्योरफिट है, वेदांतु है, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज जो है सारी इससे लिंक्ड है. ठीक है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट टेस्ट. वंस यू क्लिक हियर यू हैव टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ. जैसे कि मैंने कर रखा है रजिस्टर अपने आप को. ठीक है. रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ, देन क्लिक ऑन रजिस्टर नाउ. ठीक है. Once you click on register now, then you will get an option to choose a slot. आपको अपना स्लॉट चूज करना है, ठीक है। इसकी टेस्ट जो होती है ये होती है एवरी वेंसडे एंड सैटरडे, बट यू कैन बुक द स्लॉट वेर एवर यू वॉन्ट, वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन बुक द स्लॉट, उसमें कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है। पर टेस्ट जो होगी वो होगी वेंसडे एंड सैटरडे को। मान लीजिए मैंने अपना स्लॉट बुक किया 9th of August का, ठीक है, 7th of August का, ठीक है। देन आई विल क्लिक ऑन कंफर्म योर स्लॉट, ठीक है। सो वंस आई क्लिक हियर, सो आपको लिखेगा कि आपको यहाँ पे अमाउंट पे करने के लिए बोलेगा। द अमाउंट इज 1999 और आपको ये अमाउंट पे करना है 30 मिनट के अंदर, ठीक है। सो आपको बेसिकली करना ये है कि आपको इस अमाउंट को पे ना करना हो, डिस्काउंट चाहिए हो आपको इस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट में, तो यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ कूपन कोड, जो कि आपके लिए है जो ये वीडियोस देख रहे हैं हमारे, ठीक है। Whenever you apply a coupon code VIK10, आपने अप्लाई पे क्लिक किया, you will get a discount of 200 rupees. The amount will come to 1799, ठीक है। Then you have to click on pay now and you have to make a payment, ठीक है। सबसे बड़ी बात ये है गाइस कि if you get a job through this platform, through Relevel, then आपको ये पूरा अमाउंट जो है 1799 का ये पूरा रिफंडेबल है। If you get job in any company which is powered by Relevel, then you will get the complete amount as a refund, ठीक है। So आपके लिए प्रॉफिट ये होगा कि you will get a job in good startup company, you will get a good package, and then the amount is also refundable. So what you have to do is you have to just paste the screenshot of payment in a Google form which we are giving in the description of this video, ठीक है। So आपको वहां पे जाना है, अपने स्क्रीनशॉट को वहां पेस्ट कर देना है, ठीक है। So guys, मैं बोलता हूं कि इससे बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म अभी के लिए इस मार्केट में आपको शायद नहीं मिलने वाला है। So today, go now, go today and register yourself with Relevel, ठीक है। If you have any doubt, comment down in comment section and we will try to respond you, we will try to reach you out. So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो kindly subscribe, like and share the video as much as you can, ताकि मैक्सिमम लोगों को इस वीडियो के बारे में मालूम पड़े। तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही गाइस। I wish you all the best, good luck and stay safe. Thank you. I was telling that for now you have to focus on two-way communication and the intro part, okay, and
Okay,
just
sir.
ask questions to customer, try to involve customer at every point, okay. So
Okay,
customer
sir.
will not lose interest, because see, whenever you're getting a job in Byju's na, definitely you'll have ample customers who will say no, I don't want Byju's, it is the worst app ever. They'll definitely give you all this explanation, but you
Yes,
have to
sir.
convince them by asking question. You have to involve them, right? Okay,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
in which class your student is? Can you tell me the class of the student? In which school he is studying? Just have some basic questions, okay, so that he
Okay.
knows, okay, she is taking interest in asking questions, okay, that means she has an interest in it, right? So just
Okay,
that
sir.
is the thing you have to work. Rest things were fine.
Okay, sir.
The convincing skill and the vocabulary was fine, okay. Just
Okay.
focus on two-way communication part and how to
Okay.
involve the customer by giving good answers. Try to give that, sir, like whenever I'm comparing something with Byju's, tell them we have visualization, we have this and that in Byju's, okay. Mention the features of
Yes.
Byju's, right? That will definitely
Okay,
help
sir.
you, okay.
Okay, sir.
Just prepare well. We have next sort of interview